In this video, I'll guide you through how to add a text box in Jotform, whether you're creating a simple contact form, a survey, or a registration page. Knowing how to add and choose the right type of text box is essential. We'll go from opening Jotform all the way to selecting the specific text field that fits your needs step by step. First, open your web browser and go to jotform.com. Make sure you're on the official site and, if necessary, log into your account. If you don't have an account yet, you can quickly create one, but for this tutorial, I'll assume you're already logged in and ready to build a form. Once you're on the main Jotform dashboard, look for the option labeled Create. This is usually near the top of the page. Go ahead and click Create. This tells Jotform you want to start a brand new form instead of editing an existing one. After clicking Create, you'll see a few different ways to get started. Today, I'll show you how to start from scratch. So choose the option that says Start from Scratch. This gives you a completely blank slate, which is perfect for learning the basics and having full control over your layout. Next, Jotform will ask you what kind of form layout you'd like to use. You'll see an option for Classic Form. Click on Classic Form. The classic layout shows all questions on a single page, one under another, which makes it very straightforward to work with, especially when you're adding text fields. Once your blank classic form loads, look over to the left side of the screen. You should see a panel or button labeled Add Element. This is where you'll find all the different form fields you can insert, like text fields, drop-downs, and more. Click Add Element to open that panel if it isn't already visible. With the Elements panel open, you'll see a list of available fields. If you don't immediately see the text options you want, scroll down through the list. Take your time here. Jotform offers a lot of different elements, and scrolling helps you find exactly what you're looking for. As you scroll, you'll come across several options that relate to text input. The key ones to look for are short text, long text, and paragraph. These are your main choices for adding text areas to your form. Short text is ideal for brief answers like names, email addresses, or single word responses. Long text works better when you expect a longer reply, such as comments, feedback, or descriptions. Paragraph is slightly different. It lets you add a block of static text to your form, such as instructions, disclaimers, or descriptions that your users read but don't edit. To add any of these, simply click on the option you want in the panel or drag and drop it into place on your form. Once it's there, you can click on the field to rename it, adjust the label, and customize settings like whether it's required. And that's all there is to it. You've gone from opening Jotform to creating a new classic form from scratch to finding and adding the right kind of text box for your needs.